Okay, so that is our Atom tool packages. I know we've been looking at a lot in this video, but there's one more set of packages I want to talk about, and those are some styling packages. These are things that are just going to make things cool and a little bit sexier, but not necessarily probably impact your actual development speed too much. The first one are file icons. And these are going to reformat whatever theme you're using and give us nice, sexy icons in our Atom editor for all the different file types that we have. And I'll show you this and what that looks like. The next one is a copy as Rtf package. And what this will allow us to do is copy code from our code editor and paste it into another application and keep all of the styling from whatever theme we choose inside of our code editor. So if you've ever worked with making slides or presentations and you have to deal with how do I format this, how do I make the code look how it would look in a code editor, the copy as Rtf package is what you want. And again, that's something that's been ported over from other editors but is really helpful to have. And then finally, one I want to mention that is not so JavaScripty, it's a bit more CSS-y, but it's having a color picker right inside of your code editor. I find this a little helpful. Sometimes I like to just pick colors on the fly, and this is something that is helpful to be able to do that. So let's take a look quickly at these Atom styling packages.